I recently did a peel, and part of that process is really dry, flaky skin. I'm kind of past the point where it was super flaky, but my skin feels drier than ever. So I'm really glad I was sent the Aloderma face mask. These sheet masks are individually wrapped and they do an amazing job with hydrating your skin. I've put one on so far. This is going to be the second time I'm using one, and I thought I would show you the process here on camera. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. And it definitely has a lot of serum on it and that fresh aloe vera gel. So you may want to do this over a sink. And then you're going to take off the blue part. So you can apply this if you want straight to your face, or you can take off the blue first. So what I'm going to do, I usually just take it off first. So that part you don't need. The white sheet mask is going to go on. I do recommend having some sort of spa headband. It just makes it a little easier when your hair is pulled back. Okay, let's apply. It's very soothing as it goes on. All right, it is on. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it on for 15 minutes and I'll show you the after. Let's take this off. Okay, then you just throw that in the trash. If you have normal dry skin, you can just rub this in and leave it on. If you have sensitive skin, you can then go rinse it off. I tend to have a lot of extra serum on, but because my skin is so dry, I'm okay with leaving that extra serum and just letting it absorb into my skin. I'm gonna put it on my neck area as well, and then anything I have extra, I always put on the back of my hands too. Now, when your skin is really dry, you can actually use this every single day for 5 days. So you do get 5 of these masks, so you can really bring your skin back to life, back to being hydrated, using them every single day for 5 days. Or you can use them every 3 days, or as sparingly as you want, if you just want to use them every now and then. But I love the effects of what aloe can do to your skin to give it that hydration. It just feels better instantly, and as it absorbs in, you'll have that nice glow as well for the rest of your day.